Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? This video is about BRPR EA that we have been running from last 4 months. We started the account on 21st of August and today is 22nd of December. We have completed 4 months, and this EA is specifically to trade Euro USD. However, we can trade various other currency pairs also, but yes, Euro USD works best so far for me. Personally, it has worked so far very good, and we are also providing a the preset file along with this expert advisor in case if you're interested. Okay, and please ignore the first few trades that you are seeing, Euro JPY and Euro GBP, because they were that I took manually, and I was not aware that I'm trading on this particular account because I was using other IC market account to trade manually as well. So by mistake I took one or two of these manual trades. Okay, so as I said, this is specifically for Euro USD, and it does not martingale at all. It doesn't hedge. It doesn't use grid trading. Okay, let's go from here. The minimum requirement is 1,000 US dollar. The minimum requirement is 1,000 US dollar. However, like if you can manage it higher, like around 1,200 to 1,500, that is better. But yes, 1,000 is the minimum. But to check the feasibility and our preset file and the settings that we created, we have started it with 501 US dollar, and just to check the feasibility testing, that how it behaves in the market condition when there is extreme movements in the forex market. So let's start from here, guys. Hold on for a second. So in these 4 months, we seen a lot of ups and downs in various forex market instruments. I mean, including gold, Euro USD, and various currency pairs. But yes, Euro USD is one of the favorite pair that like people use to trade across the globe. So hence we see the major impact with Euro USD as well. So even in those kind of conditions, however, it has opened multiple rates. Some are in the reverse trading as well, but yes, it has not increased the lot size too significantly. If you can see, like most of the time we use 0.01 lot size most of the time, and in sometimes 0.02, and in very less time you will see 0.03 in very less time, and in very rare condition 0.04. We have not increased. I don't think like we increase the lot size more than 0.04, and even 0.04 also in I would say just you can count it on fingers, like when we use price. Okay. So I will also provide you the MyFX book link of this particular expert advisor that we are running on this particular account itself. Okay, so don't worry about that. And in the past, in the last month, like we see like a lot of uh, movement in the forex market. However, like it is the end of the year, and there are a lot of manipulation that are going to happen, and it is already happening. So it will impact your account as well, right? How the EA is performing in a smoother market and how the EA is performing in such a speculation and manipulated market. So of course, the drawdown could have been gone a little higher than what was expected, but yes, it was all manageable and all managed very well. If you see, even in those kind of market conditions, the trade market has not increased that much, right? So you see that so far we made 924 as a profit over 501 of deposit. You see the running trades. These are the running trades right now. These are the trading. These are the trades. And if you would like to see the MyFX book link, then let me share it across with you. Please hold on for a second. Okay, so if you see the profit graph, this has increased like this. Okay, and if you see the drawdown graph, I would see it on October 2nd, and then in November 20th, like it was the highest, like it went that much. Anyways, the balance increase like this, growth is like this, Monthly, we made around it's around 29% so far. The maximum drawdown in worst conditions so far has been 42.14%. That is obviously a little higher, but yes, that is well managed by the expert advisor. If I would have traded with around 1500 or maybe 2000 US dollar, then this drawdown would have been decreased drastically. Okay. Today we made 0.17%. This week we made 2.40%. This month we made 12.91%, and this year we made 183.87%. This is the history of 4 months trade. Okay, and in August we made 17.42% since we started it on 21st of August or something. And in September we made 34%, in October we made 31.83%, and in November we made 21.02%. And this month not much, but yes, it's good, 12.91%, almost 13% so far. So all the all the stats are there, and if you just go scroll it down, you will find other systems by us, by Create Wealth, that is my channel. Okay, and you will find there are many statistics of other expert advisor, or maybe other forex system, or maybe other trading that we are doing on different kind of account. Some of them we are not running it right now, we have already traded with, and some we are already running. So if you want to go with all these statistics, if you would like to check the statistics of other expert advisor, you can check it over here. Okay, all things are mentioned, just scroll it down. I will provide you the myfx book link of this particular expert advisor that we are trading on this particular account. And when you scroll it down, you will find other systems that are provided by us, so you can just check it all and let me know in case if you are interested in any of them. You can contact me by email or telegram. I have provided you email and telegram, both are in the video description. Please check it out, and if you have any question, feel free to contact me. And I wish you all the very best wishes for the Christmas and the upcoming new year. May God give you very much success, and wish you all the very best with a lot of good health and success and happiness in the family. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.